Okay, so now we gotta put back the power board. Let's get this. Okay, very careful not to shock yourself. So what we need to do is first get this connected back up. Should have snap in place. Right. Now reconnect this. Again, my apologies if you can't see what I'm doing exactly. The priority is getting this thing back in order. Butterfingers, basically. Okay, power board's back. Okay, last part for the power. Just bring this ring back in. Yeah, don't want to force it too much, just slide it in. Should go in pretty easily. There you go. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to put back this speaker. And let's put the fan back. I want to make sure the fan's nice and tight. I think it's the only thing in this. It's the only thing in this computer these days that moves. So you want to make sure that it's seated back in pretty tight. So if it needs to move or if it vibrates, nothing's coming loose at all. So I want to make sure it's pretty tight. I guess the other thing that potentially moves is the speakers, like the vibrating, but you get the point. Connect back in. You want to make sure everything's connected in properly. You don't want any errors when you start this thing up again. Alright. try to listen for clicks, but you know, if it doesn't click, then it is what it is. Make sure there's no holes in the feet in the fan, so it blows directly into the CPU and the GPU.